Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. And today is going to be a quick one. It's the last working day of the year. Got a hell of a lot of stuff to do before the Christmas Day celebrations. And yeah, we're going to get straight into it, guys. Also, if you are new to the channel, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell, because I do these videos literally every single day. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, real quick intro, community tab today. Top altcoins, we have Ubix, Near Protocol, Polkadot, DAG. Solana is freaking pumping, absolutely bullish. Going to coin market cap, we've got a total market cap of 1.6 trillion today. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 74. That beautiful green line in the last 24 hours. How nice is that? There is a lot of news coming out in the crypto world. The SEC is holding a significant amount of meetings. And apparently we are a green light for the Bitcoin ETFs in January. How good is that going to be for the new year? 51% Bitcoin, 16% Ethereum. Again, I would love to see Ethereum get flipped by XRP, but I'd be just as happy if Solana flipped it also. Unbelievable. Let's just have a quick look at my watch list. Yes, these are the top alts. Solana is pumping at 14.28%. That's 93 US dollars today. Some other gems in here as well. The full list gets put up in my Patreon. Going to have a look at that. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles. Before I do, shameless plug, I don't care. This community is growing every single day. We're up over 800 plus members. It's awesome. Guys, go join up to it. This is my personal Wall Street Bull University Patreon page. I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, day trading bots, the whole 9 yards, everything to do with 3 commas. I just posted up there this morning with the bots that I'm currently trading at the moment. They've been doing quite well. Literally 2 days ago, I started them. The first day it made me $600, and yesterday it made me around about $400 or $500. So I'm not complaining. I am down on the bots today. No bullshit on my channel. I just tell it how it is. This is the risk that we take when the market is volatile and going in opposite directions. Anyway, I'm going to explain all of that. Also, there is a chat feature in here where you can speak to me directly and DM me. Also, I put up my dividend stock investing, which provides cash flow every single month. That is bullish. Go join up, Bulls. It is linked below. Now, I'm going to quickly show you my 3 commas bots. Now, I do have a significant amount of bots trading at the moment. These are my partners, obviously, up here. We also have the short bots and the long multi bots right here. I've got more long bots on the multis set up, meaning multis are, you can literally trade as many altcoins as you want, rather than having single pairs like Bitcoin USDT. You can trade all the perpetual contracts on OKX. Now, this is bullish as anything, guys. It just allows you to trade the whole market pretty much. Now, I am trading with 15x leverage. I don't recommend it. It is risky. And please be careful with it, because I've been liquidated significantly because of many, many different factors in the crypto world. But the bots actually like volatility. Okay, I'm just putting it out there. I am trading on an RSI indicator on these multi-bots, taking 1.5% profits on every single deal. There are a lot of deals happening. It's absolutely madness. Now, you can download the new 3 commas app. It is awesome. You can control everything from the app now. I much prefer the desktop screen, but the app just does perfectly fine. Also, there is a Christmas sale happening with 3 commas. It is linked below. You will get 50% off your membership and a lot of other benefits when you use the referral link. Go check it out. Quick look at OKX today. I'm down 455, which is, you know, it happens. I'm not really concerned about it. However, I mean, the week and the month have been chaotic. Absolute bullshit, to be honest with you, because of Binance being sued. We've had the flash crash that happened over the last weekend. There's a lot that's happened in the market as well. And when you're trading with leverage, you get liquidated. However, on the 6 months, I'm still up 56%. That is 12,401 Australian dollars. This is no bullshit. Straight to the point. I started with $2,000 in this account, and that's what I've made. And by the way, Christmas shopping has happened as well. I've used some of those profits. This, I mean, it's really, really helped. Now, let's have a look. I've currently got 107 positions opened up at the moment. There are 180 orders in the book, meaning open and closing deals. This would be physically impossible to day trade on the, traditional way, sitting in front of a chart. And then there's nothing wrong with that. I've got a lot of friends and family that use charting. That's cool. I like something automated because I just don't have the time to sit in front of a computer. Obviously on the holidays, I may do that. Now let's have a look at the position history. You can see they're taking small profits, but it adds up. There will be some liquidations in here overnight. This one was 40 USDT. It does happen. This one here was 28. Mainly wins, which is good as well. I'd say today it's roughly about an 85 to 90% win rate on the trades, but taking small amounts of profit. And you can see this is all today on the 22nd. Couple liquidations here overnight. Also, I adjusted these bots to trade with 100 USDT base order, whereas before, when the flash crash happened, I was trading with 250 USDT, which was absolutely insane. And that's the reason why I got liquidated quite quickly. But anyway, everything is in the Patreon, the Wall Street Bull University. Go look it up. Incredible stuff with 3 commas. I've been using it for 2.5 years and only just sort of got really into it in the last 6 months. And it's been incredible. Now, crypto bubbles, let's have a quick look at this. I've got a rush. We've got Polkadot up 19% today, $8. This is insane. ALGO is up 17% today. That's 23 cents. Still incredibly undervalued. Solana is up 14% also at $93. I bought this when it collapsed with FTX and I never looked back. So I'm glad I'm holding that. I'm up like stupid amounts. I'm going to hold it still because Raoul Pal predicted this may, just a prediction and his opinion, may have a run like Ethereum did in the previous bull market, going from a few hundred USDT, or US dollars, I'm so USDT on the brain, USD up to 4,500 US dollars in the previous bull market, which is just nuts when you think about it. And you know, there's a lot of transactions happening on Solana. Hedera also up 7% today, 9 cents. Still incredibly undervalued in my opinion. XLM 2.2% today at 12 cents. Nice to see XLM up there. And do we have XRP up here? I can't see it. Let me just wait and see. I'm going blind from looking at these all day. No. Okay, anyway, moving on. Bullish news. Grayscale CEO says that the spot Bitcoin ETFs allow market inflow of $30 trillion in advised wealth. That is insane. 30 trillion. The previous all-time high in the bull market was $3 trillion. There you go. Absolutely nuts. And we've got Michael Sonashine right here. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing his name wrong. The CEO and leading asset management firm of Grayscale Investments believes that the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF could allow the crypto market to enjoy an inflow of $30 trillion in advanced wealth. During an interview on CNBC's Squawk Box, obviously, he said that there is a lot of market optimism for the Bitcoin next year, and as many investors are adding the digital assets to their portfolios, just wait to see what's coming. It's going to be wild. Price predictions for Bitcoin. What will basically happen? We're predicting, you know, there's going to be $42,000 to $100,000 Bitcoin price. I think it will easily hit that target. Can it hit 200,000 during the next crypto cycle? Anything's possible. Literally anything's possible. And there's a lot of factors that, you know, obviously have to do with this. You know, you've got all these institutions, regulation. However, when there's an inflow of $30 trillion into this market, look out. Things are going to get wild. Honestly, these prices that we're seeing now, we'll probably never see them again, in my opinion. SEC is holding rare joint conference call with spot Bitcoin ETF applicants. Now, there was some tweets put out just before I jumped on to film this video, and apparently there are individual calls that have taken place. Just making that clear. He's having what's described as a rare joint conference call in the prospective spot Bitcoin ETF fillers, as its closely watched decision looms on whether to give these companies the green light to sell small investors access to crypto. Very, very nice right here. And we also have had Alan Tarrant on Fox Correspondents said that the call involved ensuring that applicants are committed to cash creation model. And Tanner added that the SEC told applicants to remove all hints of in-kind redemptions from their filings, which is very interesting. An in-kind model would allow the certain Bitcoin transactions among ETF industry participants. Recent updates to BlackRock filing here have already replaced mentions of in-kind with cash, but leave room for an in-kind model pending approval. None of the involved parties have publicly confirmed the above call. Previously, the SEC has confirmed individual meetings, albeit not always immediately. So it's very interesting to see what's happened here. Ripple CLO, the chief legal officer, basically clearing up the world here in crypto. But Ripple Stewart Alderodi emphasizes that the biggest crypto story of 2023 occurred when Judge Torres ruled that XRP is not a security. That is incredibly bullish. I'm not going to get into that as well. We also have Solana news as well. This trader made a trade of $92 and turned it into 1.5 million. I mean, this stuff does happen, but it's very, very rare. That is bullish as anything. Solana prices surge also, which is nuts. A month high amid robust network activity. Solana prices have shown some serious strength lately, rallying to their latest highest level since April 2022, as the network benefits from substantial activity and strong interest in the meme coin sector. Also, there is the stablecoin, payment rails that, Visa's taking a very close look at, hence the reason why they partner with them also. Keep an eye on that, but I just want to show you something really cool. But Raoul Pal shares a massive price prediction for Solana. This was in 2023 this year in July. And he basically said the following: according to Powell, Sol could rally 20x from the current levels if it mirrors Ethereum's 47x move in 2018 low. And he also says Bitcoin could triple from its all-time high level amid the supply crunch in 2023. Now, again, his price predictions and analysis on Solana have been incredibly accurate, and people need to pay attention to what he says. He was a former Goldman Sachs hedge fund manager. We've got money going into Ethereum, AVAX, Near Protocol, Doge. We've got Link. We have Say and Filecoin as well. Quick look at X today. And there's not a lot happening in here apart from all of these SEC meetings, but I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me on there. That is my XRP skull ring. You can grab one of those now. Use the discount code BF40. Have a look at here. Solana's led the crypto gains in 2023, and other altcoins, AVAX and Stacks and Helium HNT, which is nice. ARK Invest continues to reduce the Coinbase holdings. I think that she's just getting capital to buy Bitcoin for their ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF. And Ethereum right here is primed also to outperform Bitcoin, which is going to be incredible. We've got the SEC as a rare conference call today with all spot Bitcoin ETF applicants from Fox Business. And there's a lot of them there, of course. That's a lot of phone calls. That is incredible. Crypto Rover putting out some incredible charts today as well. I expect a mega pump if it breaks this level, which I suspect is going to happen over the next coming days because, the ETFs may or may not be approved in January. But Gary Gensler right here, and this is all the stuff in relation to the meetings that took place today. Eric Buchalans corrects the Fox Business report, stating that it was not one call between the SEC and all spot Bitcoin ETF issuers, but rather individual clients to tell them that it's either cash creates or you will wait. So they will have to make, obviously, adjustments for this, but all signs are still a go for January. That is incredible as well. Also, we've got Gary Gensler giving an interview today, and Brad Garlinghouse absolutely slamming this down. Have a listen to Gary.
Disclosure so you can make the investment decision, but also to protect you against fraud and manipulation. And there's been far too much fraud and bad actors in the crypto field. There's a lot of non-compliance, not only with the securities laws, but other laws around anti-money laundering and protecting the public. This is really the Wild West, and it's around the globe. I would say again, this is a small part of our U.S. capital markets, but it can undermine confidence when so many people have been hurt, and all they can do is then stand in line at a bankruptcy court, and it's not just one actor, and it's not just, oh, it's just a few bad actors over here. This is something that pervades a lot of this field globally, and it's hard for the good faith actors even to compete because there's so many.
Anyway, moving on, we've got Brad Garlinghouse stating the following: stunning hypocrisy from the person who cozied up with the biggest fraud in recent memory. Gensler is a political liability whose actions have decimated consumers and destroyed the integrity of the SEC while remaining buddy-buddy with Wall Street. And that is very, very true and accurate as well. And again, they're an update. 13 applications are currently in play with these Bitcoin ETFs. That is a lot of capital. Anyway, quick look at this, Bulls. My watch list is the altcoins that are changing the payment rails of the future. They are right here. That is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. Of course, Hedera, XLM. The whole list is in the Patreon. Go join up to that as well. But Solana's absolutely pumping today, up 14%. Still up 25% on the 7 days. 76% on 30 days, 380% in 90 days, and on the year, 676%. Absolutely wild. Anyway, Bulls, I'm out of here. I've got a lot to going on today. I'll keep in touch with everybody in the Patreon. Join up, it's linked below, and the community tab. Stay safe, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow, hopefully if I get time with this Christmas rush going on. But have a good night, a good afternoon, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. Peace out, Bulls. Bye.